Hey, what's up guys? Imran here, Monster Gadgets. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you might be. Thank you so much for joining me. And in today's video, as you guys can see, I am back in the garage. I've got my 21 Tesla Model 3 Performance behind me. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and unbox and set up these seat covers that were sent to me by Dr.CarNow. Let's go ahead and dive into it. All right guys, welcome back. So if you've been following me, you will probably remember I did a video maybe a month ago, 2 months ago, on some brand new formats that I got. Those were also by Dr.CarNow. I actually have them in my car right now. The front ones, the back ones, the trunk, and the frunk. And so far they've actually held up really well. I'm enjoying those more than the original Tesla one. So if you have not checked out that video, I'll go ahead and card it here, go check it out. But today we're gonna go ahead and install the seat covers. Now, full disclosure, there's some mixed things, controversial things about seat covers online, whether you should or shouldn't have them from a safety standpoint, so make sure you do your own research and kind of follow what you believe. But I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. Now, the second thing is, do you need them in a Tesla? Probably not, just because the seats, especially the white ones, are built really well. And as you guys know, if you follow me, which by the way, if you don't, go follow me, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. I've got 4 kids. I've had this car for over a year now, and all my kids, they range from 3 to 14. This is my daily driver, and the seats have held up really well. But I will say, it is nice to have an extra peace of mind knowing that if I have these seat covers, they will protect my seats in the long run. I haven't had any issues with it so far, but with anything, if you have some wear and tear over time, it can take a toll. But again, so far, so good. So extra layer of protection for me. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. Let's see what they look like. Let's see how they hold up. I will of course continue to update you on Twitter, and so make sure you follow me there as well. But let me go ahead and get them installed. First, I'll go ahead and show you how my seats currently look like without the seat covers. This is completely in the moment. I have not cleaned my car, so you guys can see it's actually still dirty. This is probably the dirtiest you'll ever see my car, but you guys can get a sense of what the seats look like. They are in excellent condition. No discoloring or anything like that in the back. The front, however, I will show you, because I do wear jeans quite a bit. There is a slight coloration for my jeans, but again, this hasn't been cleaned. So if I do run wipes on it, most of it will come off. Some of it is still left there, but overall, I would say probably 90% of it comes off. But again, even without it being clean, overall, it looks like they're in good condition. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what they look like. All right, let's see. There's some instruction manual. So it does come with some tools. And looks like there is a screwdriver that they send you with, a Phillips head. This thing to help it push in the corners. I guess there's some brackets and stuff to maybe keep it in place. More brackets. So there's 2 sets of brackets along with some hooks. So we've got the bigger brackets, these hooks, and then these round brackets. So let's see what the instructions say. Please scan the QR code below for installation video. I should probably watch that. So if you want to go ahead and scan that if you want to take a look. They also have an install video. So let me go ahead and install these. For the sake of this video, I won't do the full install because it looks like they already have an install video. but I'll go ahead and install it and show you guys the final product. So let me go ahead and install it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at. This is one of the seat covers. SRS airbags, this is what I mean as far as safety things go. So again, do research on this, but it's got some Velcro on the side here. Ugh. I just want to see how thick these are. I mean, they look really high quality, really thick. And I want to say they feel almost like the original Tesla covers. So let me go ahead and put these on. I'll do a demonstration and show you guys maybe one of the installed. I'll do the driver's side first. Let me put the camera in. All right, I had to move the car out so there's better lighting, but now I will go ahead and install this. So it looks like you gotta move the seat back. It's got some zipper on the side here. This is gonna be, this is a passenger one actually, because the SRS airbag's gonna go on the side. I actually grabbed the wrong one. Let me grab the right one. All right, that's better. Now that I have the right one, let me go ahead and slide this on. All right guys, I didn't record the whole install because it was actually quite involved. It took me about 10 minutes to do the one seat. Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. So this is the one that I just installed. It still has, because I have not even sat in this, but I assume by the time I sit down, it'll kind of settle in. But it's a little poofy from, you guys can tell, it's got a little bit of a give to it. This is all in like it's supposed to be, fully installed. It looks great. Outside of it not exactly sitting properly because I've not used it yet, so it's got to settle in probably a little bit. But here's the original seat, and then here is the seat covers. So it does give a little extra padding to it because it is thick, but I'm sure with time, as I sit and use this will settle in and it won't be coming up as much as it is now. But if that's the case, if it stays like this, that would be kind of an annoyance for me, but I think it will settle down. So you guys be the judge. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and probably just run this one seat for now and see how well it holds up before I install the passenger one and the back seat one. Again, took me a little while to get this in right, basically get it in here in the front. And let me go ahead and show you what the back looks like as well. So this does get rid of all of the black trim on the inside because this covers literally the whole seat. It's got a pocket in the back here, and to see what it looks like from the back. These wrinkles, again, I'm sure they'll go away. Just this is how it came in the package. So with time, I think this will settle in and it'll go away. But I'm not sure what I think about the black original one versus all white. I obviously, because I've had this car for a while, the black really looks good in my opinion. But with this being all white, it does cover the whole seat, which is in a good way. It protects it, right? So my kids do kick the back here, and as you guys can see, there are some scuffs. But again, my car hasn't been cleaned yet, so this normally comes right off. So I guess it comes down to personal preference if you like these or not, but I will go ahead and test this one out, see how well it works, and report back to you guys on Twitter. But so that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.